What's going on, everyone? Justin Tech here. Welcome to the channel if you're new. VR is freaking awesome, and one of my favorite games is Population 1. And they are coming out with a whole new update called Kingdom Age, and I got to get a first look, so let's head on in. Population 1 is bringing a huge update to the map, a massive kingdom which can be seen from all over. It's full of passageways, sniper spots, and details that make it the best looking update yet. It brings a new and fast sword, skins, 4 events, and an entirely new environment to run around. I met up with Sofia from Big Box to take a tour of the grounds, and she told me everything there is to know about the big update. Let's go find her. We're supposed to meet Sofia here around I think 4 o'clock, and oh, hey, are you Sofia?
Hi, yes I am!
Oh my goodness, thank you so much for meeting me.
Oh, no problem, no problem. I was just, waiting here for you. The kingdom is rather large, so this tour will be a big one.
All right, let's do it. I will do jump cuts so that they don't have to wait all day and that they can see the best of the best. Let's go!
We are basically here at the main entrance of the kingdom, which has 2 different gates, and then you'll also notice that there are these little holes on the side of the kingdom because our environmental artists, who are amazing because clearly they have outdone themselves once again, castles are meant to be a place to hold, a fort, if you will. And so the one cool thing about this is that we actually had to kind of make a solution to people who have the high ground in the kingdom are clearly going to be at an advantage. Very unfair one of that. And so we made these little holes here on the side so that there's an easy way to get in and out of the castle grounds. And so you're going to see these all around the castle walls. Right now, we are at the Peasant Quarter part. A little bit further over there to the right are the farmlands, are kind of outside, closest to kind of ridgeline area. We also have a smithy here.
Forge some weapons. Boom! Wow!
Right. Whoa! As you can tell, we also added a lot of levels to the map, which have been really, really cool to see. The part about Frontier we really enjoyed, you can see it actually just through here. The canyons kind of gave that level of verticality that we really love in the game, and this is kind of it on an even huger scale. As we go up into the more noble area, you're going to notice that we also have these ruins here. Did
you bring them all the way here from Rome or something?
Yeah, we just scooped them up and literally just plopped them here to kind of do an homage to Rome. We are now within the town square.
I love the tiles and the tutors.
And we have a very silly love of gazebos here at Big Box. So in Frontier we had 1 gazebo, and we have one-upped it to, this is the first of 2 gazebos.
Yeah.
2. Big piece of Kingdom is, of course, the castle.
Aside from the new location, there's new skins, right? Do you wanna do a cute little costume change?
Let me switch into something a little more magical.
Yeah, a little more comfortable.
A little bit more fashionable. Look at these gems, look at these rings. I got some earrings on as well.
That's great. And I like that you have a jetpack behind your cape. So great, so functional.
So this is our beautiful castle. As you can tell, lots of little divots here and there so people can run around, get in and out real nice and easy. Have seen some brutal sword battles happen on all fronts of this castle. No castle is complete without its round table, of course.
For 12 nights. I counted the chairs before.
Oh, amazing. And yeah, I mean, who doesn't want to just stand in the middle?
Look at this place. This is so beautiful. I love the stained glass. Great detail right there. Does that break?
It does.
Oh, wow. Okay, cool. I'm done. I'm done.
Open French windows. So here we are in the throne room. So we've got our nice little throne right here.
All right, let's get a quick photo. I'm smiling.
Say cheese!
Cheese!
Got it.
Great.
So Kingdom Age Update is a little bit different than what we've done in the past. As you can maybe tell, we've been calling it an update versus a season for a few reasons. We don't have a battle pass this time, and that's basically because we want to do a few things. First, we really want to let players who just come in at any time to not feel like they're missing out on anything in particular. So if you come in later in the season, you'd be like, oh my god, I'm never going to have enough time to finish this season pass, like this sucks. We don't want anyone to feel left out in that regard. So we have these series of events that are happening within the update, and so we are launching with Update 1. Each event has a plethora of rewards, and the big thing that we really wanted to focus on as well is it's all free. Play the events, you get rewarded for playing, like that's the feeling we want people to have. Another part is that we also wanted to focus on simplicity. So, for example, you saw that Excalibur is part of this update. It's a very basic sword. If anyone new were to hop in and be like, okay, I grabbed this sword, what do I do with it?
What does it do?
The Excalibur Sword, the coolest thing about it is the fact that you are just super fast. Like, the knife definitely gives you a little bit of speed when you equip it, but the Excalibur gives you 25% speed. So you are just zooming. You are a threat in close combat, 100%. The sword is the only new weapon, and no, there is no battle pass, but that does not mean that we don't have a bunch of stuff to give to people. The only thing that is paid are these skins that you see that I've been fashioning and modeling. But
yeah, let's do another one.
Is entirely free. Sure. I will show you my all-time favorite out of the 4 paid ones. I can also show you are the event reward actually. Where are you? There you are. Basically, Hot Goth. Also, I love Raven, and she's got these.
I love those.
Claws.
Can I see? Oh my god, I love that. Wow, and so shiny too.
It's very shiny.
Great accessories. I like her belt.
Good.
And you're like the
belt,
what are those
thigh highs?
Thigh highs, yeah.
Well, the boots are thigh highs, and then it's got this like lace kind of stocking over it, which I'm obsessed with. I love her hood. The blindfold is also like super different from what we've done in the past of like everyone has super shiny goggles.
Yeah. It's like that Sandra Bullock movie.
Yes.
All right, should we go up to the top level?
Yeah, and as you open the windows first, you can kind of see a little gaze down into the castle.
I love all the passageways, so many places to hide.
100%, and of course, people are very, very excited to just snipe from all the different heights.
Yeah.
Here's the final gazebo.
A gazebo, yeah.
We are highly encouraging people to get married. If you haven't noticed, in our game, we want it to happen. We gave you 2 gazebos, so there are 3 total gazebos in Pop 1 now. Please, God, somebody do it.
Okay. I'll think about it. We're looking at locations. Just kidding. I'm single. Ooh, this is a great vantage point. Everything the sun touches is yours.
That's right. Thank you, Mufasa. So at launch of Kingdom Age, you are going to be asked to do a Kingdom Conquest event. At Kingdom Conquest, you're going to notice all across the map of Pop 1 that you're going to see these about this large crystals that are going to be bobbing up and down with a little beautiful rotation and, of course, a very mystical sound. That you collect them, you got to reach out and grab them, collect those, and you're also going to gain points by any damage that you make and any of the kills that you get every single match. And as you do that, when you collect points, after every round, you're going to see the points add up and you're going to get rewarded every single tier as you go up. So one of our first out of 4 events, which is starting right on August 5th when Kingdom Age comes out.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for the tour. This was so great of you. Before we go, though, can you just show us another outfit?
I was literally just about to change and show you. So This is PJ Gallant, our Gallant boy, and this is how he's coming into the picture of Kingdom Age. Oh my gosh! Of course, I forgot to mention.
Yeah.
The big other thing about these 4 events is that Kingdom Age is ending with a good versus evil event. So
yes,
a little bit more about that. Yeah, so Kingdom Age update is ending with that. There is a lot of fun stuff that's going to be coming with it, but the big part is you will have to pick a side. Will you side with good or will you side with evil? And both of the teams will clash for the event.
Ooh, that's so cool. And that was Population 1 Kingdom Age coming out on August 5th. Don't miss it. And that's not all. I've got a giveaway for you guys. Head over to my Instagram where I'm giving away 2 game keys to Population 1. That's gonna happen right now, so head over there. And then also, if you're someone who's about to buy this game, make sure you use this code JTech. You'll get 750 Bureau Gold using that on your account within 14 days of this video. All right, that's all I've got for you guys today. I'm Justin, and I'll tech you later.